Welcome back. So at this point we are going to be doing one-way controlled light, that is the lighting point controlled by one-way switch, which will now attach to our consumer unit, which I've already designed. So I will go to File, New Project. Okay, I will go to the consumer unit, the power supply I've already designed, put on the workspace. That's done. So now I will hide details to keep the workspace free. I will equally expose all the terminals, kind of opening my components to expose the terminals so that I can equally wire. I will check what do I need. I need the switch, I need ceiling rows, I need a bulb. So I need a switch. I'll go to controls, light switch, one-way switch. I need the ceiling rows, both accessories, ceiling rows. Repeat. What else do I need? I need a bulb, so I can pick bulb later. So now let me connect my switch and my ceiling rods first. The loop goes to the common of the switch. Perfect. The switch line goes to L1. Goes to L1 of my switch. And this line, because I'm assuming that we are using twin with earth, that is twin plus CPC line, this should be a blue wire, so which will have a brown sleeve on. So this, I'm going to have it as a blue wire with a brown sleeve on it, brown sleeve. So because it is a twin with earth cable, so that is it. So I will connect my CPC to the CPC terminal of the switch. That is done. This is done. I'm going to connect these to the consumer unit before I will not bring in my bulb. So I will pick up my live brown wire from the BC, that 6 amp circuit breaker. Keep it as straight as I want it to be to have a neat job. Take it to the loop. Good. Then pick my neutral line. Take it to the neutral terminal of the ceiling rows. Perfect. Take my earth line, my CPC, directly to the CPC terminal. Perfect. So now I have established this. I'm going to bring in my bulb now. I'm going to bring in my bulb from load, bulb. So this is my bulb. So I'm going to connect my bulb appropriately to the ceiling rows. So this is the live terminal. I'm going to flip this bulb so that flip horizontal, so that this becomes my neutral now. Good. This will easily go to this, and I will make this a flexible wire because that's what I'm going to use my bulb. Connect this to the switch line. Make it a flexible wire as well. Flexible. Good, perfect. So I am done with my wiring. I can now start to close everything. Close my components. I've closed my components now. So let me go ahead and test it on simulation. Power. So switch is already on, so bulb has come up. So I decide to switch it off because of switch it on, it comes up. Now I can decide to open the components now to see how the current is flowing. And see how the current is flowing from supply through the loop to switch closed to bulb, return through the neutral to the neutral terminal of the consumer unit, and return to the supply. So that is the basic one-way light one-way switch controlling one point of light. Now in the next video, we'll test this one point of light. We'll test how the circuit breaker will respond to some faults that could come up. Stay with me. Thank you.